guys. Today, I got a new part in the mail, and I'd like to show you all what it is. That's right. This is a new part I just recently got. It's from China, though. Here's the wiring. For this elevator part, I'll show you, after I get the button out. Okay. Here's the part. Here's what it looks like on the back. Whoa, what is this? This doesn't look like an Otis elevator part to me. This looks like a generic knockoff of an Otis elevator part to me. That's what it looks like to me. Might as well, yeah. And yeah. This part does not look promising. Look at that. So as you can tell, this wiring looks like it's fallen off. So yeah. That's how you insert the wiring. It goes on like that. Again, take it off. Again, that's how you take it off. Again. Here's the face of the button. Does this look like an Otis elevator part to you? Again, I'll pull up the average American elevator part. See? This is your average American elevator part. As you can tell, this Otis button has wiring like this. This one's not meant for that. This one's specifically meant for this. Again, as you can tell, presses like an Otis micro motion, normal micro motion. This one kind of does, but yeah. This one just looks like generic knockoff. Again, that's not how I expected the part to be, though. But again, yeah. But anyways, thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe, and have a good day, and bye.